Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today, I'm in the Islington and Rathburn area, right in the heart of Humber Valley Village. In case you're not familiar with this area, it's a fantastic location. It is such a great location that I myself moved here just a few months ago. It's close for all your amenities. You really don't need a car, close to TTC, highways, and if you have children, it's in a fantastic school zone. The location is 1515 Islington, but don't fret, in case you don't want to park off of Islington, there's two driveways, one off Islington with a garage and one right here off of Anglesey. But let's meet Ariana and she'll tell you a little bit more about the home.
This beautiful home has 3 bedrooms plus 1 in the basement. It has 4 washrooms and it's almost 2,100 square feet. It's a 1.5 story and it was even featured on HGTV. It has really amazing finishes inside and I can't wait for you to see it. Let's go meet Julia.
Welcome to the main floor of this house. We have a beautiful open concept living room with vaulted ceilings. We have hardwood floor throughout, and check out this kitchen. We have stone countertops and high-end stainless steel appliances. Check out the rest of the space.
I'm standing in one of potentially 2 primary bedrooms. This one is on the main floor. This main floor primary bedroom has a 3-piece ensuite with a great shower. It also has 2 closets, one right here, a single one, and a double door closet right in front of me here. Now, the one thing I absolutely love about this room is right behind me here. This sunroom is a bonus room. It's currently used as an office, but because it has access from the garage, you can turn it into a mudroom if you wish, or maybe you want it as a gym, or maybe just want it as a pass-through as you can get to the backyard right through this room. We'll check out the rest of the main floor, and Ariana will show you our option for the second primary bedroom upstairs.
This bonus floor. You can use this space as another primary bedroom. You can have a guest stay up here. If you have a nanny living with you, they have their own area for a bedroom, shower, storage, everything. Again, I love to call this area a bonus room because it's its own half story.
Check out the size of this basement.
Yeah, right now it's kind of like two parts. You can have a nice movie night over there, snuggle up to the gas fireplace.
Yeah, and the room behind me here, you can use for arts and crafts, maybe a gym if you don't want to use the sunroom.
The possibilities are endless.
Well, think about it. You almost have like a separate entrance, right? So you could almost make this basement into a basement apartment.
Yeah, well, we do have another bedroom down here as well.
Yeah, sure. It already has a bathroom down here as well, so you just kind of add in a kitchen and there you go. Well, check out the rest of the basement and then we'll meet you outside. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour of inside of the home. Now we're at my favorite part as usual.
The backyard, of course.
Of course.
And my favorite part of the backyard actually is the privacy that you have with these high fences.
That's great.
I like the size of the yard. It's large enough that you can fit a pool if you wanted to.
Yeah, like there's so many great features of this home. I know you're gonna absolutely love it. If you want your own private tour or you just want some details on the property, you can always call or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me at dcinelli@royallepage.ca. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye for now.